Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim. Chapter 71. Surah Noah. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. We sent Noah forth to his people, saying, warn your people before there comes upon them a grievous punishment. Noah said, my people, I am but a plain warner to you, that you should worship Allah alone and be conscious of Him. Pay heed to me. He will forgive your sins and will grant you respite till an appointed time. When the time appointed by Allah arrives, it cannot be postponed. If you only knew. He said, my Lord, I have called my people night and day, but my pleas have only increased their aversion. Every time I have called to them, so that you might forgive them, they have only thrust their fingers into their ears, covered themselves up with their garments, grown obstinate, and given themselves up to arrogance. Then I called them openly, and I spoke to them in public and in private. Then I said, ask forgiveness of your Lord. Surely He is the most forgiving. He will send down abundant rain from the sky for you, increase your wealth and sons, and grant you gardens and waterways. What is the matter with you that you deny the greatness of Allah when He has created you through different stages of existence? Do you not see how Allah has created the seven heavens, one above another, and made the moon therein a light, and made the sun a lamp? How Allah has produced you from the earth and caused you to grow? How He will then return you to it and bring you forth again? How Allah has spread the earth out for you, so that you may walk along its spacious paths. Noah supplicated, Lord, they have disobeyed me and followed those whose wealth and children have only added to their ruin. And they have hatched a mighty plot. And they said to their followers, do not ever abandon your deities. Abandon neither Vad nor Suwa, and neither Yaguth nor Yok nor Nasr. They have led many astray, so lead the wrongdoers to further error. They were drowned and sent to hell for their misdeeds. They found no one to help them against Allah. Noah prayed, O my Lord, do not leave on earth a single one of those who deny the truth. If you leave any, they will misguide your servants, and they will beget none but sinners and deniers of truth. Lord, forgive me and my parents and every true believer who enters my house. Forgive all the believing men and believing women, and bestow no increase upon the wrongdoers except in ruin. End of verse 28. Surah Nu.